Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. Today I am going to explain the features and functionality of our most important plugin Protect WP Admin. Okay, basically we have created this plugin to give extra protection to your website, WordPress website admin. Okay, it will really help to protect your website from hackers and any spammer. Okay, so let it start how you can use it in your website and how you can enable the settings of the plugins. Okay, so let's enable it, and here let me try to save. It's showing the new error, please enter new admin slug. Okay, so here I am going to add new slug manager. Okay, okay, please do not use any special character in admin slug. Okay, you can use any normal text like my admin, me admin, my manager, something like that, but don't use the special character, because if you use the special character, in that case it can create problem due to your redirection issue. Okay, so let's activate. Yes, have you checked the performance setting? No. If you are sure, you have make sure, basically you have make sure before enable our plugin settings should not be set to plain. Okay, so let me double check it again. Okay, so when you will click on cancel button, it will redirect to your permalink setting. Okay, here you will see my setting is already set to post name, so it will work with post name. Okay, if you will choose any option except plain, okay, in that case our plugin will work very well. Okay, if you choose this option, in that case our plugin will not work, because this is the non SEO friendly URL. Okay, so normally everyone choose the SEO friendly URL of the WordPress. Okay, so our plugins will always work on your website. Okay, so let me save setting and back again to our product segment. Okay, so I have checked already manager. Okay, settings, have you checked? Yes, I have checked. Let me save it. Okay, so once you will save the settings, you will see the new preview new admin URL. Okay, so preview new admin URL, using this URL you can make sure this your new admin select URL is working or not. Okay, if you are able to access the admin login page by this URL, it means you have successfully installed your plugins without any issue. So let me show it. Yes, yes, I am able to access the login page, it means it's working. Okay, so there are no need to worry now right now, as you have successfully configured and our plugin is working on your website. Okay, so anytime when you will access the will try to access the admin URL, then you have need to choose your new slug as login page slug. Okay, otherwise it will not able to access your default WordPress admin URL. Okay, let me show you how it works. Okay, so I am going to log out. Okay, this is, so let me try to WP admin. Okay, it's not able to access, it redirect to home page. Okay, and let me try WP login dot php. Okay, I am still not able to access. Okay, it means your website is fully secure. Okay, no one can assume your new admin URL, and no one can access your website admin using default URL. Okay, so let me log in my new admin URL, it means manager. Okay, yes, I am able to access the login page, so I can access the website as well. Okay, so let me explain the other settings. So these are the settings. Restrict the registered non-admin URL from admin. Okay, if you want to not able to access this one, admin dashboard. Okay, for any user. okay, like editor or any other role, editor, subscriber, or author. Okay, in that case you have need to check this box. Okay, once you will check, no one user will able to access the WordPress admin dashboard even using new URL or default URL. Okay, so you can use this setting as per your requirement. Okay, we have given some extra features here. Okay, in case when you want to restrict the non-admin, some registered user to admin dashboard. Okay, and if you want to give the access WP admin dashboard access after login into your website for few user or for some specific user only, in that case you can define the username ID here. So these all user will able to access the admin URL even you restrict the registered non-user. Okay, so these are the setting, these are the our login page setting. By default when you will enable the plugins, then setting will be look like this. This is the default setting. Okay, so your plugins will look like this. Okay, so in this plugins, and under login page style, you will be able to choose the like your custom, if you want to choose your custom logo, your website logo as login page admin logo. Okay, and you will able to choose the background URL here. Let me choose this to white and save setting. Let's see the setting. Okay, you will able to see the background color has been changed, logo also changed, and look and feel of login page has been fully changed. So as per your website design you can choose these option. Okay, to reset the button, click on clear button and save the setting. Okay, you will able to the default admin URL. Okay, so these are the settings, especially you can use it on your website. Okay, so we have given some extra features in our pro add-on. Okay, so you as per your requirement you can use our add-on as well. So let me describe the features of our pro add-on in summary. Okay, so here in login we have given the login attempt counter, means you will able to set the login attempt from admin section. Okay, so user will not able to access your website after set the login attempt. An option define the logo, this option already here in pre version. Login CSS, we have given the extra features to manage the CSS from admin. An option to change username. Okay, in this add-ons we have given this extra features. Basically this feature is we have added as per our user or client requirement. Okay, sometimes if you want to change the username of your subscriber, your editor or author, any role of the user, if you want to use their username, in that case you can choose, you can use this option. Okay, by default WordPress not allowed to change the username. You will able to change the password of the any user from admin, but they have not allowed to change the username. But in this plugins add-on we have given this feature. Okay, so you will able to the change the username from admin. An option to define the redirect URL. Okay, so we able to set the redirection URL, means if someone will try to access your website with default URL after change the new select, then they will redirect, you will to set the redirect URL. So you can define the redirect URL here. Okay, and also in pro version we have given a extra feature to change the this logo and logo URL as well. Okay, by default you will see this logo has wp wordpress.org URL. Okay, so in plugins free version, in paid add-on we have given the option to define the logo of this URL as well. Okay, so these are the settings. You can purchase the plugins from our official website. Okay, here we have given the different plan as per your requirement: personal for single website, premium for up to 5 website, and business for unlimited website. Okay, so as per your requirement you can choose any plan. We have given the one time option for all plans. Okay, and features are same for all plans. Okay, there are no difference in feature are same for all plans. And in first month personal one site license we have given 1 month support, and up to 5 3 month support, and unlimited we have given 1 year support. Okay, so free upgradation also available here. Only some term condition will be applied to upgrade the free and first two version. Okay, so you have listed the feature as well here, and you will see to tutorial how our add-on will work. Okay, so these are the plugins. I hope you all settings are clear for you, and must you will enjoy our plugins to give extra protection your WordPress site. Okay, so guys, in this plugins we have used only hooks of the WordPress, means we have used the hook of the WordPress to override the functionality of the WordPress admin. Okay, so there are no any extra code, no any hidden cost script. Okay, it's very lightweighted plugins, so you can use it, and I hope you can able to give the extra person your WordPress website. Okay, so guys, enough for today. I will back again with new video with new information. Okay, if you like our video, if you want, then please like and subscribe. Okay, and if you have any suggestion to our plugin, then you can leave the comment in video box, or you can leave your valuable feedback on official plugin as well. Okay, I will give the free version add-on links to download links in description box as well. Okay, so you will be able to download our plugin as well. So guys, take care. I will back again with new video with new information.